Hi guys, it's Friday, it's Barkspeed time. Run VT, Errol. Welcome back guys, it's Friday, it's Barkspeed time, and today we've been painting the roof. Check this out. Right, so as you can see, that is a single coat. It's a bit orange peely, but it's quite shiny. I'm going to flat that off and give that another coat, but I've run out of thinners. So, yeah, for now, that is it. It looks pretty smart. It's Old English white, the colour. Old English white, coupled with the blue. Looks pretty cool. You see the blue to the colour. I think that's going to look quite smart. What do you think? Right, well, I hope you like that. I think it looks good. We'll catch you in the next video where I'll be doing a bit more painting. I'm off to Lenny Brooks now to get some thinners. Cheers, bye for now.